his baby. He's feeding two of his babies. See that? So I got two babies right there. I got two babies up there, and I got one baby right there, and that motherfucker sitting on 3 eggs. So I don't know. I hope at least two of those eggs hatch out of that pair right there. Them babies is getting big down there. My breeding is coming along just fine. I got birds out. I got my flyers out. I didn't let this one out yet. This is the squad. I'm still training him on how to get in and out this cage. When he do start flying, where you at? There he is right there. So he can fly, but I just want to get trained into the cage and stuff like that, you know. I'm going to work around with him. And I got these birds out on the roof right here. Got one right there. Those are my flyers right there. But I think they have a gang of more flyers, my squabs. When they grow up, they gonna be out. So that's what's up. Those birds is, I think they get ready to come in. They thinking about it, but they probably not that damn hungry, but they know it's still time to eat because they haven't had their morning meal yet. But anyway, that's what's up. That's what we're dealing with, working with right now. We're doing real good. We're coming along just fine. There's some babies up there. I don't know if you can see the baby up there, but it's a baby up there too. He got an itty bitty baby, so that baby right there just hatched. So I think we're doing pretty good here. Everybody looking good. That's it. That's what's up for the day.